Okay guys, today I'm going to take you through 3 key steps on your trading diary. The first one is setting up a cash account, and then we're going to set up a budget, and then we'll set up an expense, and then obviously review the budget and review transactions. So to start with, to set up our cash account, we'll go from the home page to settings, down to financial, and we can then set up an account. Today, for this example, the account name will be Your Trading Diary Savings. The bank name we'll put down as CBA. The account number 33333. Now those of you who are worried about the safety aspect, the account number does not have to be your account number. We're not interested in that at all. I've found it easier in the past with multiple companies and multiple trading accounts to just become familiar with the last 4 digits of each account, and that helps in reviewing transactions. The BSB will put down as 3333 with the account balance of $10,000. We'll then save this account, and that should become visible down below as it has. We now have a trading account and we have a company savings account. Now to set up a budget, we'll go to the financial tab, yearly budget, budget category. There are default categories, but we'll set up one specifically for a certain expense today, and that will be for phone and internet. Description we'll put down as monthly phone internet business plan, and we can then save that. And we'll see now that under budget category, phone and internet is now a new option. We'll set up the budget category across the budget, and we'll set it up. You can see that I already have one there for other, but I'll add a new budget, and from the category I'll select phone and internet. This will happen monthly, and it will happen for an amount of $120. That's what I've allowed, that's what my business has allowed. We'll see that that has been added successfully, and when we then return to look at the budget, we should now see phone and internet for $120 a month. We can then see over the course of the year that we've budgeted $1,440 for phone and internet. We'll then set up an expense on financial tab, add expense. Assuming that we've just paid our first phone and internet bill, the category we'll select is phone and internet, paid to communications from our CBA 33333 account for the amount of $120, right on budget. The date the 30th of October. We can then upload the receipt. Here's one I prepared earlier. The description, that's not really necessary given the category is phone and internet, and we can then save that. We'll get confirmation that it is saved. We can then go to yearly budget versus expense, which is a great chart to look at. So we had $1,440 budgeted. We've currently used $120. Another handy feature on your trading diary is financial, cash flow, review transactions. We can then select whichever account we would like to review transactions from. In this example, I will use CBA 33333. We can see on the 30th of October that we created the account with an opening balance of $10,000. And then on the 30th of October again, we also had an expense for $120 paid to communications, leaving us with a balance of $9,880. I find the review transactions page very helpful to tracking money between different accounts and for different expenses. If we then look at our trading account, we can also see that on the 24th of October, we created the trading account with an opening balance of $20,000 and a current balance of $21,000 due to our $1,000 trade profit. I trust that your trading diary is helping you to become a more efficient, more effective, and more professional trader.